Welcome back viewers. So in the last video we have seen the performance test been performed with Cashews system and the scheduler BPFLAND was enabled with the SCX BPFLAND being the selected scheduler profile, and the low latency scheduler profile was used in the SCX variant. So this is the XS variant of BPFLAND with the low latency scheduler profile, and the performance flags were enabled by default. Whenever you use this low latency profile, this following flags are enabled by default. Now what we will do is we can go with the server scheduler profile, and there is a dash p scheduler flag that is enabled by default. You have to apply, input your password, that's it. Now you have to open your terminal and start the Geekbench test, and we wait for the results. Now the multi-core test will start. So the test is complete and we will view the results of this test. Open a new tab, paste and go. You can see here the test scores have, I think, little bit increased. No, almost same, not much difference again. So you can see the totally performance of the system is now plateaued out. It is not increasing, it is not dropping since last three tests. You can see here, this is the so first two tests, the performance was down, but from this third test onwards, the performance has increased and now it has plateaued out. There is no much difference in the single core or the multi-core test results. So you can check all the videos. You go back, you start from the first video, you come to the last video in this series, and you will notice the single core and multi-core performance for each of the different schedulers, the scheduler profiles, the different uh, flags that are enabled for the test, and you will get a good idea how the system behavior or the performance changes as we change the schedulers. We are keeping the system configuration same. We are using the same CachyOS virtual machine with 4 GB of RAM and 35 GB of space, and we are keeping the kernel, that is 6.15 kernel, constant. We are not doing any updates to the system. We will check out all the scheduler performances in this video series, and you can then get an idea which scheduler profile will suit your kind of work. If you are a gamer, which scheduler profile is suitable for you. If you are running a server, CachyOS server, which scheduler profile will suit for you, whether the server profile suits your needs or not. So everything you will get an idea after watching all the videos. You will get a complete holistic picture how the things change, how the performance changes when we change the different scheduler in the CachyOS. So I will stop the video here. See you in the next video with the next scheduler. Bye bye.